Welcome back, everybody. This is Sive Morten with the Forex Peace Army.com. So as usual, let's take a look at the gold markets daily update. So nothing to comment today from the news point of view, fundamental background. Everything stands the same. Market is waiting for the Fed session, and that's why probably we could explain some silence on the performance. So market stands in a tight range, and actually, if Jerome Powell will make some more dovish statement, we could get the bounce in the gold market as well. As we today discussed on the euro currency, gold stands in a very similar situation except one thing. So on the euro currency, market already stands here and they were sold and at FIB support level, while on a gold market we do not have something like this. So market just stands in some narrowing swings. You can see here is actually the swing scale is becoming smaller and it's not at oversold. So the background for a pullback is a bit weaker than on the euro currency, but at the same time, if really some dovish turn will happen in a speech of the Jerome Powell, I think that gold also could show the pullback. That's actually the only thing that we could consider for now. On a big scale, I'm still hoping that this triangle pattern on the weekly chart will work properly, and better sooner rather than later we should get starting of the upward action here, because fundamental background in general support this view. So I'm really hope that this will happen. Otherwise we could get deep retracement, as I said, maybe in the shape of the 32, 33, but if the scale of the retracement will increase, then probably the 3,000 level could be retested, so 3,000 or maybe slightly higher. So, but this topic is for longer term analysis on the weekly chart and so on. Currently we are interested in what will happen today. On the 4 time frame chart, we have similar pattern to the euro, chance for a possible double repo buy if everything will go on a dovish scenario. So we have nice thrusting action to the downside, very heavy upward action, so bulls barely could try to actually push price slightly higher. The overall action stands really difficult, and it's definitely not kind of the reversal type of action. So here's market definitely needs some external support to make it stronger. What actually could happen? First, to get the double repo, we need to get some drop here first. To get close below the 3x3 moving average, and then we need to close above it. That might be the performance that we could watch for. If indeed we will see some upward bounce, then the target might be somewhere around 33.70. This could happen. Very often this type of actions happens in the shape of the butterfly, as I also explained. So currently it's very difficult to call this shape as a bullish, so it's definitely not the bullish reversal. But if market drops first to the 32.90 and then will show a sharp reversal, maybe the butterfly here as well will be formed. Maybe it will be in the shape of some kind of the double bottom. The market just will drop down, slightly spike the lows and return it back up. That will be also acceptable from the double repo point of view. Just watch for a clear pattern, because here we do not have anything else. Since overall scenario remains bearish in general, if Fed will not bring any surprises, market could start moving lower, as we suggested, to major targets around 32.30. If nothing will happen in today's Fed meeting. If it still something will happen, then probably we could get the bounce. But anyway, at this point right now, we should do nothing. So because we do not have yet any pattern in place, we should first wait when this pattern will be formed. And that will happen only after the volatility and starting with the comments from the Jerome Powell. So currently at these circumstances, I do not want to take the long position at this point. So that's probably all for now. Let's keep watching what will happen on the Fed session, and see you tomorrow.